All right. So the next question we have after that example is, how do we become a private money lender? I mean, my answer, and Paul, you might have a different one, is just networking. Yeah. If you're someone with funding and you're thinking about investing in real estate and you realize like, hey, I actually don't want to do all the work. I want to be passive and have those low double-digit interest rates that we were talking about in the previous example. A great way to do it is just go to like a local real estate investor meetup, essentially. Talk to listen first. If you tell people you have money, you're going to be the prettiest girl at the dance, essentially, at one of those things.
Yeah.
So go in there, listen, learn, kind of get a flavor of what's out there. Maybe educate yourself on some books out there on private lending. There's plenty of stuff out there that you can kind of Google and kind of go through and read too, just to educate yourself better. I'm sure there's probably great videos out there on YouTube University as well on kind of walking you through the process. But for me, if you're really serious, networking and just meeting other investors and even other private lenders out there would be probably a best first step on top of just like a book to maybe, if you're brand new to this.
We have an example on that, Mike. So one of our students, Steve Hildebittel, is a private lender now, and he's kind of like in between asset-based lending and being a regular old private lender. And how he found a lot of his people. One is through networking. He did the RIA group big. He also put ads on Facebook Marketplace and on Craigslist just to see what kind of they were almost tests for them. But he ended up finding a couple of pretty good, consistent people to lend to off those forums. And then it became like a referral thing for him. So pretty easy to do. And I do think the RIAs are probably your best bet if you want to become a private lender.
Yeah.